Managing inventory can be challenging for small businesses, but with SalesPlay POS, it's simple and efficient. Let's see how you can use the advanced inventory module to manage your stock easily. Once you log in, head to the inventory section. Here, you can track stock levels, manage purchases, and more. Need to restock? Create a purchase order, email it to your supplier, and track your stock receipts, all in one place. Once your order arrives, update your inventory with a goods received note. You can link it to a purchase order or add stock directly. Sometimes you need to adjust stock, maybe due to damage or loss. With stock adjustments, you can increase or decrease stock and track changes separately. If you have multiple stores, you can easily transfer stock between locations and check the transfer history anytime. Stay on top of your stock with the inventory status report. See available stock, negative items, and expiry details instantly. Need a full history of stock movements? The Inventory History feature tracks GRNs, stock adjustments, and transfers, so you have a clear record. If you produce items from raw materials, use the Production feature to track stock, used, and finished goods. Want to know your inventory value and profit potential? The Inventory Valuation report gives you a clear breakdown. Make sure your records match reality. Perform inventory counts, track losses or surpluses, and keep everything documented. If you need product labels, SalesPlay POS lets you print them with item names, prices, and barcodes for easy scanning. With SalesPlay POS, managing inventory is easy. Try it today and simplify your business operations. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.